Good day, learners. Today I am going to help you understand the meaning of common assessment keywords. Many learners lose marks not because they do not know the work, but because they do not understand what the question is asking. In this session, I am going to explain each word in simple language, so you know exactly what is required from you and exactly how to answer correctly. Before any assessment, always read the keyword first. The keyword tells you exactly what is required from you. Once you understand the keyword, you will know how to structure your answer and you will score marks. The keyword is the instruction. If you miss the instruction, you lose marks. So from today, I want you to do one thing first. Read the keyword before you start writing. Knowledge questions are written answers. That means I am checking your understanding. You may need to write bullet points, short sentences, or a full paragraph, but you must follow the keyword. Let's begin. List. When it says list, this means names only. This is what is required from you. Write bullet points. Do not explain. Do not write a paragraph. Name. When it says name, this means write the word only. This is what is required from you. Give the name and stop there. No definition. State. When it says state, this means be brief and direct. This is what is required from you. One clear sentence. No extra story. Identify. When it says identify, this means point it out. This is what is required from you. Write the correct item. Name. Define. When it says define, this means give the meaning only. This is what is required from you. One or two short sentences, like a simple dictionary meaning. We now move on to describe. When it says describe, this means tell me what it is like. This is what is required from you. Give details, features, parts, or characteristics. Explain. When it says explain, this means tell me why or how. This is what is required from you. Give reasons using full sentences. Use words like because, discuss. When it says discuss, this means talk about it fully. This is what is required from you. Write a paragraph with more than one point and include examples. Outline. When it says outline, this means main points only. This is what is required from you. Short notes or headings, not a long explanation. Summarize. When it says summarize, this means the short version. This is what is required from you. Only the most important points. No extra details. We are now taking a look at compare and difference in words. Compare. When it says compare, this means show what is the same and what is different. This is what is required from you. Write similarities and differences. Differentiate. When it says differentiate, this means show the differences only. This is what is required from you. Explain how they are not the same. Distinguish. When it says distinguish, this means separate them clearly. This is what is required from you. Make the difference very clear, not vague. Analyze. When it says analyze, this means break it into parts and think deeper. This is what is required from you. Explain causes, effects, and reasons, not just facts. Interpret. When it says interpret, this means explain the meaning. This is what is required from you. Tell what the information is saying or showing. Evaluate. When it says evaluate, this means judge it. This is what is required from you. Give advantages and disadvantages. Then say what you think and why. Review. When it says review, this means look back and comment. This is what is required from you. Say what worked well, what did not, and what should improve. Justify. When it says justify, this means prove your answer. This is what is required from you. Give strong reasons or evidence for your choice. Recommend. When it says recommend, this means suggest a solution. This is what is required from you. Say what should be done and explain why it will help. Propose. When it says propose, this means suggest a plan or idea. This is what is required from you. Give the plan clearly, even if it is short, and explain the goal. Suggest. When it says suggest, this means give ideas. This is what is required from you. List possible improvements or options, then pick the best one if asked. Respond to. When it says respond to, this means tell what action you will take. This is what is required from you. Explain your steps or your reaction. Reflect. When it says reflect, this means think about your learning. This is what is required from you. Write what you learned, what you will do differently, and why. Calculate. When it says calculate, this means numbers are required. This is what is required from you. Show your working and then give the final answer. Estimate. When it says estimate, this means a close, rough answer. This is what is required from you. Give an approximate answer, not an exact one. Measure. When it says measure, this means find the amount, size. This is what is required from you. Use the correct unit or tool, then write the result clearly. Research. When it says research, this means go and find information. This is what is required from you. Read, find facts, and then summarize in your own words. Investigate. When it says investigate, this means look deeper than normal. This is what is required from you. Collect facts, evidence, and explain what you found. We are now taking a look at explain how. When it says explain how, this means steps. This is what is required from you. Write the process step by step in the correct order. Explain why. When it says explain why, this means reasons. This is what is required from you. Give the cause and the reason, not just the final statement. Classify, categorize. When it says classify or categorize, this means put into groups. This is what is required from you. Place each item in the correct category. Match. When it says match, this means pair the correct items. This is what is required from you. Connect the right answer to the right question. Label. When it says label, this means name each part. This is what is required from you. Write the correct name next to the correct part. Now I am moving on to the practical section. Here, you are not writing theory. I expect you to show the skill. This means I am checking what you can do, not just what you can say. Let's start with demonstrate. When it says demonstrate, this means show the skill physically. This is what is required from you. Do the task while the assessor observes. Operate. When it says operate, this means use the machine. System. This is what is required from you. Use it correctly and safely, following the steps. Prepare. When it says prepare, this means get ready first. This is what is required from you. Set up tools, materials, and your work area before starting. Follow procedure. When it says follow procedure, this means step by step. This is what is required from you. Do not skip steps. Follow the correct order. Complete. When it says complete, this means finish everything. This is what is required from you. Fill in all sections properly, no blanks. Record. When it says record, this means write information down. This is what is required from you. Capture details accurately and neatly. Check. When it says check, this means confirm it is correct. This is what is required from you. Look again and make sure there are no mistakes. Inspect. When it says inspect, this means look closely. This is what is required from you. Find faults, damage, or problems and note them. Compile. When it says compile, this means gather together. This is what is required from you. Collect documents, evidence in one place, in order. Create. When it says create, this means make something new. This is what is required from you. Produce the required document, report, or output. Now I am moving on to the workplace section. Here I expect you to prove that the task was done in a real work environment. This means evidence is important, documents, logbooks, signatures, photos, or records. APPLY. When it says APPLY, this means use your knowledge at work. This is what is required from you. Show that you used it in a real job situation. Implement. When it says implement, this means put into action. This is what is required from you. Carry out the plan and show the result. Maintain. When it says maintain, this means keep it working correctly. This is what is required from you. Do it consistently over time, not once off. Monitor. When it says monitor, this means check regularly. This is what is required from you. Track progress and notice problems early. Report. When it says report, this means communicate results. This is what is required from you. Write or tell what happened clearly and accurately. LOG. When it says LOG, this means record daily work. This is what is required from you. Complete the logbook as proof. Assist. When it says assist, this means help with a task. This is what is required from you. Support the work and explain what you did. Handle. When it says handle, this means deal with it properly. This is what is required from you. Manage the situation correctly and safely. Comply. When it says comply, this means follow the rules. This is what is required from you. Work according to procedures and policies. Attacks evidence. When it says attacks evidence, this means provide proof. This is what is required from you. Add forms, signatures, photos, or documents.
Now we are taking a look at understanding the marking scheme. Marks are not just numbers. They are clues. The number of marks should tell you how much I expect you to write. If a question is 1 mark, I only want 1 short answer or 1 point. Do not write a paragraph. If it is 2 or 3 marks, I now expect a few points or a short explanation. This can include maybe 2 or 3 sentences. If it is 4 or 5 marks, now you must slow down and write more. This means you are to write in detail, explanation, examples, or steps. Think of it like this. More marks means more information. Sometimes 5 marks means list 5 points. Sometimes 5 marks means explain properly. And sometimes 5 marks means give steps or examples. But one thing is very clear. Your answer length must match the marks provided. If you write too little, you lose marks. So always ask yourself before answering, how many marks is this question worth? Double check the answer before moving on to the next one. Look at the marking scheme and look at the answer you provided.
Before we finish, I want you to remember just one simple rule. Everything in your assessments falls into 3 categories. Knowledge means right. When it is knowledge, I expect written answers, sentences, explanations, paragraphs. Practical means show. When it is practical, I don't want theory. I want you to physically do the task. Workplace means prove. When it is workplace, you must show evidence that it really happened at work documents, logbooks, signatures, proof. So before you answer any question, stop, read the keyword first, and ask yourself, am I writing, am I showing, or am I proving? If you follow the keyword correctly, you will score the marks every time. We've now reached the end of this session. It is important to remember, before you answer any question, slow down and read the keyword first. The keyword tells you exactly what is required from you. If it is knowledge, you write. If it is practical, you show. If it is workplace, you prove. When you follow the keyword correctly, you make it easy to get your marks. Always let the keyword guide your answer. Always read the keyword first. It tells you exactly what to do. Write, show, or prove. I wish you all the best in your learning journey and assessment period.